Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Hit the like button on the way in, and if you are new over here, hit the subscribe button. So we are, it is, let's see, 4 p.m. exactly, and we are about to get the day, well, I guess you could say get the day started. Let me tell you how our morning went though. Got up kind of like around 8, 9ish, got 8 and up. Made breakfast. I went online for this webinar that I had to do this morning, and then we all got dressed and came out. So that's pretty much what you guys missed on this lovely Wednesday, and we are about to actually shoot some other content out here outdoors. So we'll go ahead and get that done, and then I'll see y'all when I'm done.
Okay. I can prank eggs.
Alright, why was I today years old when I found out that you could do this? Like, how you do it? Oh, hold on. Why was I today years old when I found you could do this? I didn't know you could change your thing. Like, huh? I just happen to be messing around because every now and then I go and update this number that I have on my screensaver. And I'm like, hold on, I've seen some other stuff about customizing. So I pressed it, and this is kind of cute. I like it's like a fuchsia color.
You can do that?
And the yellow, the letters are actually, the number is actually yellow. And the calculator buttons are also yellow. It just looked white on here. So that means clearly my settings are off, but yeah, so I just thought that was cute. So here I am. We just came back. Oh, lipstick is going every which way on my face. I was laying down, so please excuse how crazy I look. But we just got back in not that long ago from outside. And your face. What do you have on your face, Sarah? Ew, sticky face. So anyways, Aiden, you can teach you because I look real crazy.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm about to go down to the laundry room and go wash the clothes that I didn't wash yesterday.
Yeah.
Or earlier this morning, as a matter of fact. There you go. I'm tired. And I still gotta cook dinner and bathe people. Did you say yap?
No.
Look at your mouth. You see you?
Mm-hmm.
Drying my clothies. Alright, so I be having a couple of items that I don't be trying to put in a dryer. This robe is one of them. I probably could put this in the dryer, but I just prefer not to. So I just hang them out right in the bathroom on a hanger. I do put I got the matching nightgown to this thing, and I do put that in the dryer, but not the robe. I feel like I always had bad luck with robes. My robes be getting holes on the side of them all the time, and I feel like it just comes from the dryer for some reason. I don't know. And then this dress, let me turn it on the other side. Yeah, just hang them two bad boys out to dry. And oh, I didn't even tell y'all. Matter of fact, let me show y'all. Okay, this is a must see to believe situation. One moment. Okay, so do y'all remember how I was basically running around saying I knew I had this hair color? I bought this hair color, I don't know where it was at, I don't know where it disappeared to, whatever, and I ended up taking like 2 weeks or at least somewhere around that time to look for the color. Never found it, and was just like, you know what, I'm gonna get another one, right? So I go and I get this other color my hair, whatever, and today Ace brings me all this is old book days. You know, he got a new book bag for his birthday from one of our subscribers, right? Shout out to you, by the way. And then we looking at his old bag for stuff. I'm like, oh, he had socks in here. He had some clothes in there. And I looked, something just told me to look in the front of the bag to see what else might be in there. The color. The color sitting right there in the front of all this bag. And I'm like, why would I have put it in there? Like, I thought I had put it in my purse because I had some more stuff in my hand. And I didn't want to, like, you know, drop it or anything like that. But I'm just so glad that I got it because I still have, I actually have the developer, well, the mixing solution for it right here. It's a little messy looking. And I even had bought this big old bottle where the kids dropped it and broke the top. So a lot of it got wasted. But I got the stuff here to color my hair. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm getting ready to do my hair today, but today or tomorrow, you know, color my hair and try to straighten it again, even though this heat just not really holding it. But, you know, a fresh color never hurt anybody. Alright, so I'm about to start making dinner, but first I put the wipe down of my countertops. I'm thinking, y'all, I had that chicken in the bottom of the fridge since I bought it because I didn't want it to freeze. Excuse me, Ada. I didn't want it to freeze. And then have to throw it back out because I intended to cook it the next day after I made the chicken breast, and I didn't do that. So it's been like 3, maybe this is day 4 of it being down there. It's hard to keep up because I feel like I go to the grocery store every day, but I don't know. We shall see. It should still be good because I usually have my refrigerator on the highest setting, and a lot of my stuff be in there freezing, so it should still be fine. And what we gonna make with this chicken? Let me see. I know I'm gonna bake it and barbecue it again because we all like that. They're drumsticks. I got another pack of drumsticks. So we're gonna do that. And I don't know if I have potatoes. Let me check. Okay, so I literally have 2 potatoes left, so that won't do anything but tease us. So maybe I'll just bake those 2 potatoes, one for me, one for Aiden, and just give the little guy rice.
Mom, what did you say? What did you say? You want the meat and give one to Alanna?
Oh.
Huh?
Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. And I think I have, Aiden, look and see what vegetables I got in the freezer.
Okay. Broccoli and green beans.
Okay, let's
But
do
frozen.
broccoli.
Broccoli? Yay!
No, I picked it.
I'll do broccoli and baked potatoes for us.
Because
And just some rice for them. Here, put that away, please.
that's how you get stronger. Eating the good stuff. Eating the
That's because I not eating broccoli and we made his mustache big.
What? No, don't say that. Don't tell the secrets, eh?
Secret. Wow! Because I ate broccoli and the mustache got bigger.
Shut up.
And bigger. And bigger.
Don't tell them the secret.
These kids crazy. Okay, good news.
Yeah.
Our chicken did not rot.
Yeah.
And look, if you look right here, you can still see a little bit of ice right there on that lid. Okay?
And that crack.
So, my chicken was actually beginning to freeze at the bottom of the fridge because, like I said, we keep it on the highest setting. Because this chicken did not get frozen from the grocery store. So, we're going to wash, take off the fat. And get ready to cook.
Oh, what?
Singing for money. She's homeless. She's homeless. You know what? I used to walk around singing that song all the time when my kids was little, right? Well, my first two was like really little. And I think I started playing it on a phone one day, like in a more recent time. And Ada was like, "Mom, I did not know that was a real song. I thought you was just walking around singing some crazy stuff like you like you always do." Like, he legit did not know that song was real, but it's really a song. And he was just like, "Wow, I can't believe it. I thought you just made that up and was just walking around singing that song." Now I got him walking around singing about la da dee la dee da, la da dee la dee da. Yeah, that's still my jam, to be real. Shout out to Crystal Water. Turn that light on, boy.
I'm not telling you how I do it.
I know.
No, I'm not telling you.
Just finished washing the chicken, right? And remember how I was telling y'all that I'm starting to really hate chicken now? Here is a really good example of why that is. Look at this side of this chicken, right? Now look at this. What is this big lump and thump and dump? What is that? They got some over here. Like, it just looks so disgusting to me. Like, I don't know if these chickens be sick or it just doesn't look like something I would want to eat. And I was really just getting over my, like, you know, me not really liking chicken no more. Me having a funny taste or funny feeling when I eat chicken. And then I come see something look like this. So, I don't know. It's safe to say that it won't be long for me to just cut chicken off altogether. Because what? I might just throw this piece away. Like, honestly, I can't. So here's another one. You see that? Like, who's eating this? These are definitely going in the dumps. Alright, so dinner should be ready in about 30 minutes. And it's just feeling like home in here. You know, it's just got that nice cooked dinner aroma. I just love that smell at night when dinner just be on and going. It's my favorite. Plus, it smells great, and I'm ready to eat because I really haven't ate since breakfast today. So, yeah, I can't wait to eat. All right, so dinner is ready. My baked potato. Oh, I need to put some butter on this. Split it and put some butter and a little bit of salt maybe on there. There's Aiden, Ace, and of course, Olivier. Good. Can't hear you. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. I put my butter on, guys. It is delicious. I added some salt. I'm about to chow down. All right, y'all. So dinner's a wrap, and we're wrapping up the vlog as well. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. Make sure that you like this video before you leave. And again, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so also before you exit the video. In addition to that, guys, make sure you go over to the description box because there's a ton of links down there. Most importantly, the boutique and the digital product website where you can find my 7-day prayer journal. And you can also find my chive and garlic stuffed chicken recipe. Check those out. You're going to love them. And make sure that you use the testimonial link to give me some feedback and let me and everyone else know how you love the recipe or how you like the journal. All right, I will see y'all in the next video.